Hey there, I'm Rachel with Positively Mommy, and today's tutorial is how to clean the Mason Pearson brush. It only takes a few minutes and is soap-free to protect the red pad on your brush. All right, here we are with the Mason Pearson brush. Because of the price of this bad boy, $240 on Amazon. We want to keep it in good condition, right? When you purchased it, it came with a cleaning brush. It looks like this. If you've lost yours or it didn't come with a cleaning brush, you can buy a Mason Pearson cleaning brush on Amazon for $18. A link will be in the description below. Also, if you'd like to see our comprehensive review of the Mason Pearson popular brush, click on the link above. I actually found it for $100 and there's some tips on how to get it cheaper than $240. Okay, so the first thing you do is pull out all of the hair from the bristles that you can. I clean out the hairs just with my hands every time I use it. I shed quite a bit and my hair is long, so it gets full quite quickly. This is probably overkill, but I'm kind of obsessed with protecting my investment. I also blow through the bristles to get any loose debris out. You can take a damp microfiber cloth and wash the handle and back and then shine it up with the dry cloth afterwards. After you pull out the hair from the bristles, you use this handy dandy special cleaning brush to gently remove any hair or lint leftovers. The company recommends only using this cleaning brush and not any others like this kind that are fine for other brushes but might harm the Mason Pearson brush. I don't use this brush with lint producing or flake producing hair products like dry shampoo or hairspray. But somehow some pesky lint and a few flakes get stuck down on the bottom of the bristles near the red pad and won't come out with just the cleaning brush. There's an easy fix for this, and I do this monthly before I go to bed. You simply run the brush under lukewarm water for a minute or two, and voila, all the lint and sticky stuff on the bottom of the brush is gone and it's squeaky clean. You just let it dry overnight on a towel and your brush will be sparkly clean in the morning. That's all you have to do to clean the Mason Pearson brush. We hope it was helpful to you. Let us know if you have any questions by posting a comment and we'd be happy to answer. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel. It really helps a lot. That's all for today's tutorial. Have a wonderful day and thanks for watching.